So in today's video, we're going to be talking about why Redbubble, Spreadshirt, and Teepublic can get you sales fast and easy, like the sales you just saw on the screen there. In my opinion, these are 3 of the easiest print-on-demand websites to actually get sales on. So if you're ready for it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name's Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you do happen to be looking for any extra information, I do also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, alongside a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. Okay, at this point you're aware of what the main topic of this video is, and this is a video I felt like doing as I feel like a lot of you guys maybe only use one print-on-demand site, and for those doing that, you're kind of limiting yourself to potential sales, and you're also kind of leaving yourself at risk, because if that one account gets closed down, you can leave yourself in a bit of a sticky situation. Jumping into this, I'm going to start off by talking about Redbubble. Now, I talk about this probably the most out of all the other print-on-demand sites, and Redbubble is very, very good for anyone starting up with print-on-demand and anyone trying to actually get some sales out there. Redbubble actually have some cool inbuilt features which I like. I mean, some of them I've spoke about, such as the trending keyword method, where you can type a letter and they show you things trending under the letter. This is something that's pretty cool to use. Now, unfortunately, because of spam taggers, you can't just put one letter and then go with the keywords there. I recommend people to put 2 letters and then see what pops up. Nevertheless, it's really cool that they have stuff like this inbuilt, as it makes it very, very easy to see what people are looking for, what's trending, and what you can actually potentially get sales on. And in terms of products, out of all the sites I'll be talking about today, Redbubble is probably one of the sites with some of the most products available to actually put your designs on, which is always really cool to see. And one thing I like about that is that they're always implementing new products into that. For example, hats that have recently been put in, and some more other products that will be coming in the near future. One of my favorite features when it does come to Redbubble is the fact that you can actually play around with your margins, allowing you to actually maximize your profits. On this example here, you can see I sold 30 of one sticker to the same person with my margins configured at 150%, making me roughly £27. So just under £1 a sticker, which is not too bad given the fact that when this person bought these stickers, Redbubble actually had a discount offer on when people bought a lot of stickers. In fact, anyone can really get sales like this. And to kind of give away the niche that I got this with, it was a niche related to American politics. But you need to bear in mind, when I was jumping into niches like that, the competition was very, very low at the time, which led to these sales, which is still pretty crazy. Next up, we have Teepublic. Now, Teepublic is another very simple and easy to use print-on-demand website. Although it does have its downsides, which I will go into talk about, it's a site that makes it very, very easy to get sales, very, very easy to understand what you should be making designs on. And the people that actually made Teepublic have made the upload processing of your designs very easy as well. I like the fact that when I come on Teepublic, straight off the bat, they will show me the kind of things they want you to be designing for. For example, it says here, it's never too early for Halloween. That's kind of a hint to say it's never too early to create Halloween-based designs. So for anyone who is on Teepublic, this is something you should be looking into jumping into. I mean, if we search Halloween here, you see there will most likely be people posting new designs, mainly because this is something Teepublic is kind of requesting. And when we see the people that are posting the new designs, you notice here the prices of the t-shirts are actually coming through at a discount, which is another cool thing that I really do like about Teepublic. This is just another quick example of obviously how designs get discounted after they get posted, and that discount stays for roughly 2 days, if I'm right in saying, and those discounts actually last for 48 hours. I put a screenshot here of my best performing design in terms of sales per one person, and a specific design that I made got me 50 sales from one person, bringing in a total profit margin of $25, which equated to roughly 50 cents a sticker. I thought this would be something pretty cool to share with you guys, to show you guys how easy it can actually be to get sales on Teepublic. I mean, and to give away the niche without going too specific, this was in relation to something to do with Women's Day. That's what I'm gonna say. Whoever bought this must have been hosting some kind of event. And for anyone thinking of kind of planning ideas to potentially get sales like this, keep events in mind, because you could end up in a situation where one person is maybe planning an event and they buy a lot of your design. And this is pretty much what happened with me here. Before I do move on though, some of the downsides about Teepublic include not being able to get accepted straight off the bat. And when I say accepted, Teepublic is now picky with actually allowing designs to show up on the marketplace. For some people actually making new accounts, your designs won't automatically show up on the marketplace. Sometimes you need to upload a certain amount of designs, you need to get in contact with them, and that's one downside of Teepublic, along the fact that the profit margins is not as high. As you can see here, I sold a sticker the same way I sold a sticker on Redbubble, but on Redbubble I actually managed to get more in terms of profit compared to what I got here with Teepublic. So this is something else that could be seen as a little bit more of a downside. Next site I'm talking about here is Spreadshirt. Now, Spreadshirt is one that's kind of underrated by a lot of people, but it's a site that can also allow you to make money fairly easily. Spreadshirt, for those who don't know, actually have two separate marketplaces. So there's the UK and US marketplace, and you can choose which one you want to put your designs on, or you can put your designs on both. However, what I like about this site is when you first jump on, they actually show you some of the best performing niches. So if you're looking to jump in and potentially get some sales fairly quickly, you know what to jump into and you know how to go about things if you're looking to, you know, get those sales in a little bit quicker. One thing I like about Spreadshirt as well, which is very similar to Redbubble, is the fact that they actually have a lot of products. When I say a lot of products, I mean what you can see just off the front page here does not do them justice. I'm pretty sure they've got a lot more products than Redbubble. I think they're over 100 available products that you can actually put your designs on. This isn't just another quick representation to show you that they are both on the US and the UK market. And one thing that's a little bit of a downside in regards of Spreadshirt is the profit margins. As you can see here, I sold a hoodie, or someone bought a hoodie for $51.99, and the margins I got were only $3. I mean, fortunately enough, unlike with Teepublic, you can actually change these margins on your shop so you can allow yourself to make more. But if you're just going off the default, the base margins, which was the case with me for a long time with Spreadshirt, you notice that, you know, the profit margins aren't the highest. And this is something for those that are on Spreadshirt I can cover in the video, so I can show you how to play around with those margins to get them up. Just let me know if you want that down in the comment section. And guys, next to Redbubble, I'll probably say Spreadshirt is the print on demand site you should definitely be using. And if you actually want more information on that, check out this video here as I go in depth on how you can use it. If you made it to this point of the video, comment down in the comment section, easy going, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.